Dumelang Batswana ko gae. My name is Maikano Chimidza and I'm 13. I'm a singer and I believe that I have the potential to be the next Gemstone. Please vote for me, view my videos, like them, and also comment. Thank you. Today I'm going to be singing That's How Strong My Love Is by Alicia Keys. Some people, they call me crazy for falling in love with you. They can take me and lock me away, baby, 'cause there's nothing those stars can do. I'll be the rising moon after the setting sun, just to let you know you'll always have someone. I'll be the clearest day when the rain is done, so you'll always know. Through the shake of an earthquake, I will never fall. That's how strong my love is. Like a ship through the storm, we can risk it all. That's how strong my love is. That's how strong my love is. Like a ship through a storm, we can risk it all. That's how strong my love is. That's how strong my love is.